good, everybody? In today's video I'm going to show you the difference between this beast of an LED light and these LED lights that you can get pretty much anywhere. I want to show you the difference in illumination and why these are a lot more durable. Stay tuned for the video. What's good, everybody? So I want to show you these extremely bright LED bulbs. These are standard fit. These are just power beasts in terms of LED. These pump out 60 watts of power in LED form. The 60-watt LED corn light bulbs are suitable for many different scenarios. All the way from photography, yes, you can use these as photography bulbs and you're going to get tons of exposure on your white screen or even green screen. Specifically, we use these in the garage areas, in stables, maybe under a pergola or in a front porch area. These are the types of LED bulbs that you do not want to touch with your hand. The enclosure is plastic. This is all plastic right here. But do not touch them with your hand. So this LED bulb is 7,530 lumens and its color temperature is 6,500 K, which is a cool white light. Here we go. This is how much brighter they are. So you can see that you can pretty much see all the way in. I'm going to remove this light and I'm going to show you the difference in illumination from the previous one. And there we go. So this is the difference. Now, if you're wondering, one single 60-watt corn LED bulb is equivalent to 18 standard incandescent bulbs. Not only that, you are saving essentially 18 times electricity, which can be substantially expensive. The difference between this particular lamp and this one also is that if this falls, it's not going to break itself, whereas these still have like a glass exterior. So these are a lot more fragile than these, which makes them IP65 waterproof, which means yes, you can put these outside even in the winter time and they're not going to shatter. They're 100% weather resistant from snow, rain, and sunproof. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.